Things that I would like to show here is the fog lamps. If you can see below, the fog lamps, and here if you see here, there's one little of chrome finish, and there's one wiper. There's a single wiper because the windshield they have given a bigger wiper. So if you're not to say the windshield is small, it's smaller than the other cars, but one wiper suffices. And there are mirrors, and these are foldable, and they are body colored, and it has body colored bumpers too. And it has the wheel covers, and at the back I was going to show you that, yeah, so if you see, there's a backlight brake light too at the top. I guess due to the sun it's not visible, and the silencer is at the center. So basically the silencer is on the left side, but the exhaust come at the center. But in the new one, which has the hatch, it comes on the left side. So that is fair enough. Now I will show you the interior of the car. So I will show you with the petrol tank. Like so, you need to open it from here. So there's a small little this one. You can just open it. I'll just put on the open the hood and just put on the hinge. Okay, so this was the spare tire that I was talking about. It's in the front. So because the Nano doesn't have the engine at the front, it has at the back. So they have put the spare tire in the front, and there is brake. This is brake oil, and it has this is the master cylinder. This is the brake oil stuff. You can just open this and check it how much it is. This is the wiper sprinkler water. Okay, so there's a small little hole on this only. There's no hole given on the hood. So like when you are piping it out, you can just mist it and then clean your windshield. And this is the air filter on the front. Not the actual air filter, engine air filter is different, but this is for the air vent. This is the petrol lid. So it comes with a 15-liter petrol tank, as officially said. You can even put 16 liters. And I'll show you, just have to open it. So whenever you're going at the petrol pump, so you have to open the bonnet, and then the worker who is there at the petrol pump, he'll just fill it up. So that's awesome. Okay, so I'll just close this off, and this is the motor of the wiper. One more thing I would like to add, that in the new version of the Nano, this is same color, like this is white only, the signal light. So they have given the similar finish, and there is a small little antenna also for the radio, for the integrated radio. The interior of the car, you will be waiting for it, and I would like to show you that. Okay. It was very hot outside in the May temperature, and you can see the console. I'll just there's a lot of heat outside, so you'll not be able to see it clearly. I'll just focus on it. So if you see the fuel console, so I have switched it off. Now I'll put it on ignition. So if you see, it electronically switches.